Welcome to Condiment Week. Today we're making ketchup with things you probably already have in the cupboard. Tomato paste, vinegar, a little sweetness, and some seasonings. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you here. The goal is not a fancy ketchup. Here's the goal: cheaper, healthier, and tastes good enough to actually deserve to be placed beside a potato. On the screen, you're gonna notice the increments look a little bit higher than what I'm actually putting into my saucepan. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. I didn't buy enough tomato paste to make an entire batch of this. So I'm reducing mine in half. Just follow the instructions and don't worry so much about the volume of the visuals. So first off, we're gonna put a cup of tomato paste into our saucepan along with everything else. 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of date paste or maple syrup. If you want to learn how to make your own date paste, stick around and I'll show you at the end of the video. Half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a tiny pinch of cinnamon or allspice. Salt to taste, totally optional if you want a salt-free version. I would start with like 1/8 of a teaspoon or like a little pinch and then work your way up. We're gonna simmer that on the stove for 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it because what we wanna do is we wanna let that heat help the flavors and the spices all meld. And then we just wanna cook it until it's the consistency you expect from ketchup. After that's done, put it into a little jar. Make sure you label it. This is not like the kind of shelf-stable condiment that you get from the grocery store. I would recommend trying to use this up within a week, probably 2 maximum, but if you make a giant batch, it freezes beautifully. I told you I'd tell you how to make your own date paste. It's the easiest thing in the world, especially if you have an Instant Pot. 2½ cup of dates, medjool, nugget, whatever ones you got, doesn't matter. At least I don't think it matters. Put 2 cups of water in there. Put the Instant Pot on for 1 minute. Let it naturally release. And then you got 2 options here. You could either, 3 options really. You could transfer it all to a blender or a food processor and puree it all. If you have like a stick blender, an immersion blender, that's what I do. I just put it in there, does it all inside the Instant Pot, and then I just transfer that to a jar. This makes a ton. If you're not gonna use it all within the next week or 2, I would suggest freezing some of it because it will get a little bit moldy over time, but usually I use it up before it gets to that point. Anyway, now you know how to make date paste. You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed this quick ketchup video. Stick around because all week we are going to be making other condiments from mustard to relish, even mayonnaise. And if you're watching this video after the fact, check out the link in the description down below because I've got a video where I put all of these condiments together. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button to let YouTube know to share it with other people. Subscribe for more videos like this. And since you're still here, check this video out. YouTube wants you to watch it. That's what they told me. They whispered it in my ear. No, that's subscribe. That's to watch more.